Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a new puppy parent, you've probably experienced this, the whining in the crate. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm going to share simple science-backed tips to help you stop your puppy from whining in their crate, without stress, guilt, or sleepless nights. Let's see why puppies whine in the crate. First, let's understand why puppies whine. Puppies may cry in their crate because they're adjusting to being alone, needing a potty break, seeking comfort, or feeling overstimulated. Let's setting up the crate right. Your puppy's crate should feel like a safe den, not a punishment. Add soft bedding, a chew toy, and make sure it's in a calm, quiet spot. Some owners even cover the crate with a breathable blanket to make it cozy.
The training process. Host with puppy walking into crate. Start small. Encourage your puppy to enter the crate with treats and short sessions. Gradually increase the time. If your pup whines, pause. Don't immediately let them out. Wait for a quiet moment, then reward. This teaches them that calm behavior gets attention. Remember meeting needs before crate time. Make sure your pup has had a potty break, exercise, and some playtime before crating. A tired puppy is a happy puppy and way less likely to whine. Now, remember what not to do. Never punish your puppy for whining. That creates fear and anxiety. Remember, whining is communication. We just need to guide them to feel secure. With patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement, your puppy will learn to love their crate. Stick with it. You've got this. Like, comment, and subscribe for more pets tips.